everyone, it's Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, hello and welcome. Are you ready to create a beautiful necklace using the newest Softlex company design kit, Surf's Up? And if this kit is still available, I will leave a link down below in the description, as well as a link to the tutorial playlist for all creations I created with this amazing kit. Softlex design kits are fantastic. Each month there's a new kit, and sometimes there's a couple kits per month. Like if there is a special TGBE or a collaboration event, they will release an extra kit. And they're always curated so beautifully. The summer ones are some of my favorite. I just love all things under the sea, mermaids, and oceans. So this was just a perfect kit. Making like a charm necklace with some little sea stars here or starfish, and then this beautiful ceramic pendant that was exclusive in the kit. And then we're adding in beads from the Jesse James bead mix, Surfs Up. So just like a lot of little details, but it'll make a really cute necklace. Adding in the beautiful fluorite wire from Softlex that came in the kit. And then you'll just need a few jump rings to attach your little starfish. And before we start creating, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It'll help my little channel grow. And also down below in the description, I will link the products used in this video if the kit is sold out and if any of them are still available on softlexcompany.com. Let's start creating. So first we're going to add on our little starfish charms. And we're just adding them to jump rings. So when you want to add on a jump ring, you just have it opened and just twist side to side. And then we're going to attach our little charm and give it a close. And when you close jump rings, you should hear a little click. And this is just going to help your little charm or embellishment to move freely and lay the correct way. So we have all other jump rings on our starfish, and then we're just going to use our Softlex wire. And for this necklace, it is basic bead stringing, but by adding the little embellishments and the ceramic beads, it's kind of like a little mixed media charm necklace. And with my bead stringing, I like to keep it on the spool of Softlex wire. That way it just acts as a bead stopper. So we're just going to slide on our beads. So we have our two little square beads, and then we have our jump ring in the center. We just want to make sure that our jump ring is large enough so that our little starfish can still move freely. We're going to keep adding on our beads. And then when we get to our next little starfish, we just want to make sure that it's going the right way. And if you ever put it the wrong way, you can just open up the jump ring and make your adjustments. And this would be a super cute charm bracelet as well if you wanted to get an extra kit if it's still available, or just buy the bead mix. We're going to add our super sparkly beads. And I saw these ones. I wasn't sure if I wanted to make a sun catcher, but then I just decided on a fun summer necklace. So then we have our beautiful little ceramic shell. Very detailed. I don't know if it's picking up on the camera, but you can kind of see like a little iridescent coat to it, a couple different colors. So we're just going to slide this like a bead. And then we're just going to keep adding on the rest of the beads until we reach the end of our project. See our beautiful design, and then our shell is just going to lay the right. So we have our beautiful necklace, perfect for summer. We're just going to add in two 2x2s, and this is what's going to keep our necklace in place and everything secure. So I'm still leaving my Softlex on the spool. You may be thinking this is a really small necklace, but we're going to add some chains to the back of it. Usually with summer designs, if you have kind of like a big statement piece, you don't want the necklace too heavy. So a couple options, if you could just let the beautiful Softlex wire show in your design, or maybe braid it with maybe the turquoise. I think that'd be super beautiful. But I'm just going to go ahead and attach it to a piece of chain in just a little bit. So we're just going to add on our 2x2 like it was a bead. And then we're just going to pass our wire back through. This is just going to create like a little loop or a connection point. And it's up to you how big or small you would like it to be. We're going to take our pliers and just give it a squeeze. This is going to flatten our 2x2. And I'm just going to round my pliers and squeeze again. And this is just going to round my bead or my 2x2 and make it look like a little bead, just a more professional finish. We have just a little bit of soft wax, but that will just tuck under that next bead. And then we're just going to slide all of our beads down. And this is also a great way when you're working on the spool. You're not wasting your soft flex wire. So you'll just cut a good workable length to make your loop. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. We're just going to add on our 2x2 and then pass back through. We're going to compare our loops and make sure they're similar. They don't have to be perfect. You would just like them similar and about the same size. We'll squeeze again and rotate. We have a little bit extra soft flex on this side, so I'm just going to trim it. And we have our beautiful necklace. And you can wear it either way. Super fun. If you want to, this could be an anklet as well, because when we add our chain, we're just going to connect them to some jump rings. So we have our chain, and this isn't a soldered chain, so each chain is essentially just a giant jump ring. An under the sea design, so I thought it was really fitting to add in a lobster claw. So we're going to just take our chain and just give it a twist, just like we would open up a jump ring, and attach it to our soft flex, that loop that we just made, and give it a close. And if you ever want to adjust the length of your necklace, or if you want to convert it to a bracelet or an anklet, you're just opening and closing the chain or a jump ring, and then just making your adjustments. And we have our beautiful under the sea necklace using the newest Softlex company design kit, Surf's Up. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It'll help my little channel grow. And check out down below in the description for the tutorial playlist for all other creations using the Softlex Company Design Kit, as well as links to the products used in this video if they are still available. Have an awesome day.